if a plus b is equal to 1 and a squared plus b squared equals 2, what is the value of what is the value of a cubed plus b cubed? What is it? Okay, let's try to do it. Okay, I have no idea how to the exact way to go forward. I have no idea what are the exact steps I have to do to find it, but I have an idea on how to get this, you know, out of this, right? Because I know how to relate somehow to have both in the same equation. Because I have studied this topic and I know that a plus b, this is very basic mathematics, right? A plus b cubed is equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3 times a times b times a plus b. I know that's the same thing as that. I just multiplied the terms and expanded it. Okay, so I can say that, right? Then a plus b is equal to 1, isn't it? It is. It's given in the question, right? So I can say that from this, then 1, right? A plus b 1 cubed is equal to a cubed plus b cubed, which is what I want to find, right? I want to find this, right? The sum of these two terms, a cubed plus and b cubed, right? So having that that said, right? Then I can say out of that this is equals to this, right? Then I have an equation right now. I have an equation, and in this equation I can isolate a cubed plus b cubed, and the only thing I need to know is the value of a times b, right? And you have seen that in this famous quadratic formula here, right? You know that this is equals something that squared. It's the product by its own product, right? And we know that this is equals to this. You already know that. So okay, I need to find this, right? And I have this, right? This 2 here, remember? A squared plus b squared is equals 2, which means a plus b is squared and a plus b is 1. Then 1 squared is equals to this. It's the same thing, I just reordered it, right? So then 1 squared is 1, and this is 2, right? This is 2, given in the exercise. Then I can isolate AB now, right? Very easy. 2AB it's equals to minus 1. AB is equals to minus half, right? You know how to do that. Okay, then I can isolate a cubed plus b cubed here, which will be 1 minus this, right? Because there minus, and anything times 1 it's the same thing, right? You can say like that. Then and that is equals to 1 minus 3 times AB, and AB is minus half, right? And then multiplication signs, minus times minus is equals to plus. Then I'll have that, which is equals to that. So we have the value of a cubed plus b cubed. It's 5 over 2. All right. We can also write it in this way right here. Okay. Very easy.